Meditation isn't one single technique. There are different types, each training the mind in unique ways. Some calm the nervous system, some sharpen attention, some change emotions, some give insight. Today we'll explore 7 main meditation types, how they work scientifically, and when to use each. Number 1. Mindful meditation, the watcher mode. Mindfulness is watching the mind, thoughts, emotions, sensations, and breath. You observe without reacting. Science says observing without judgment activates the prefrontal cortex, enhancing attention and executive control. It reduces amygdala activity, which lessens emotional reactivity. It increases alpha waves, relaxed but alert state. You're not suppressing thoughts, you're not controlling anything, you're just the observer, letting the mind flow. Number 2. Concentration meditation, the laser mode. Here you choose one point of focus, breath, a dot, a mantra, or a candle flame. Science says concentration meditation strengthens attention towards networks in the brain, particularly the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex. It reduces mind wandering and enhances cognitive control. Regular practice thickens gray matter in regions responsible for focus. Think of it like a laser beam. Your mind becomes precise and stable. Number 3. Mantra meditation, the sound mode. Mantras are vibrational tools. Each repetition produces rhythmic neural patterns. It synchronizes brain hemispheres, which causes emotional balance. It calms the nervous system, which reduces cortisol. It activates the reticular activating system, which steadies attention. Even a simple Om creates measurable changes in heart rate, breathing, and EEG patterns. Repetition is key. The vibration entrains the mind. Number 4. Breath meditation, the energy mode. Breath meditation is about using your breath to regulate energy. Slow, deep breathing stimulates the vagus nerve, activating the parasympathetic system, which leads to calm and restorative state. Counting or observing the breath trains introception, the brain's awareness of internal body signals. Pranayama techniques shift oxygen and CO2 balance. The mind follows the breath. Gentle breath is gentle mind. Number 5. Visualization meditation, the inner picture mode. This technique uses mental imagery. You imagine light, healing, goals, or peaceful scenarios. Neuroscience says visualization activates visual cortex and limbic system, producing real and emotional responses. It is effective for emotion regulation, creativity, and motivation. Athletes use it to improve performance. Mental rehearsal creates neural patterns similar to actual practice. Your mind responds as if the images are real, powerful for emotional and cognitive training. Number 6. Self-inquiry meditation, the awareness mode. Self-inquiry asks, who am I? Who is aware of this? It activates deep prefrontal and default mode networks used for self-reflective thinking. It helps disentangle identity from thoughts and emotions. It leads to insight and awareness beyond memory and mental patterns. You're not the thoughts, you're the observer of all experiences. Number 7. Relaxation meditation, the rest mode. Relaxation meditation focuses on releasing tension. It uses techniques such as body scan, guided relaxation, sleep meditation. It lowers heart rate, breathing, cortisol, leads to parasympathetic activation. It is perfect for nighttime stress relief or recovery after intense activity. Relaxation meditation doesn't train awareness, it trains the body and mind to rest deeply. Each meditation has a purpose. Your goal plus time plus nervous system state determines which meditation works best. Here's the modern view. Meditation changes brain structure and function. It enhances neuroplasticity, builds new connections. It regulates autonomic nervous system, which balances stress and relaxation. It produces measurable EEG, heart rate, and hormonal changes. Meditation is not magic, it's training your brain and nervous system. To summarize, mindfulness is equal to watcher, concentration is laser, mantra is equal to sound, breath is energy, visualization is equal to inner pictures, self-inquiry is awareness, and finally, relaxation is rest. Pick the style based on your goal and when your nervous system is ready. Meditation is practical training of mind, body, and consciousness.